Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel EnglishTube. In this video, we will learn and write 5 lines speech on Republic Day. This speech is very easy to remember and recite and is suitable for kids. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line, Good morning everyone. Second line is, Today is 26th January. Third line is, Wish you all a happy Republic Day. Fourth line is, Today is a special day when our constitution was made. Fifth line is, Let's feel proud to be Indians and promise to be good citizens. Jai Hind.